Boost your grammar skills. Can you score 10 by 10? Total questions. 10. You have 10 seconds for each question. You may pause the video if you need more time. Choose the correct option. Are you ready? Let's begin. I blank my friend a secret yesterday. I told my friend a secret yesterday. She blank her lunch in the cafeteria right now. She is eating her lunch in the cafeteria right now. She blank a book when she was just 5 years old. She read a book when she was just 5 years old. The cat blank in the garden for hours. The cat slept in the garden for hours. They blank the match if they practice more. They will win the match if they practice more. She blank the exam if she studies hard. She passes the exam if she studies hard. I blank this recipe for the first time. I tried this recipe for the first time. The cat blank the mouse before we arrived. The cat caught the mouse before we arrived. The chef who blank the best dish won the competition. The chef who prepared the best dish won the competition. He blank the document, reviews it, and makes necessary changes. He edits the document, reviews it, and makes necessary changes. Thank you for watching.